Welcome, today in front of me OUKITEL K13 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. After that you'll see here the default notification sound. Click here and switch your currently sound. Let's just make it more loudly. Now just let's select one from this available. After that, just tap here to OK to save the changes, and now we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our OUKITEL device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.